Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to export your Affinity design as a template. So all you have to do is go ahead and ensure that you have your design ready. And once you're ready to export this as a template, you can go ahead and click on File on the upper left hand side, go down to Export and click as template. Once you do that, you're gonna have it here, and I'm gonna save it right into my downloads folder right here so that you can see. I'm gonna just leave it as test and click and save. Now the next time I want to go ahead and click on a new project, so the next time I go ahead and I open up, I can go ahead and click on new. For example, here choose a design. Let's say I choose this one here and click on create. I can go ahead and open up that design as a template. So what I would do now is just simply click on file, then from here click on open, and I'll be able to find that template here. So here's a template design. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that and click on open, and it's going to open up that template for me. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.